How to use MyTunes AI music generator. So first things first is what are the use cases of MyTunes AI? So it can do song creation, custom cover songs, voice enhancements, interactive music learning tools, and content creation. So how do you access it? So you can access it by going to the Play Store on your Android device and searching for the MyTunes AI music generator in the search bar and then install the app and going to the app and log in. Now, how to use MyTunes AI Music Generator. So to use MyTunes AI Music Generator, you need to download and install the app basically from the App Store. Now, once you have logged in or created an account, you need to choose a music style, which is an AI rap or an AI pop or an AI rock. Then you need to enter your prompts or lyrics in the provided text box. So just select the desired song duration, tap the generate button to create your song, explore additional features like the AI voice generator or song cover creator, then save your generated song and share it on social media or with friends. And that's how you can basically use MyTunes AI music generator.